We got a mesh screen from our customers. He wants to clean this mesh by this cleaning machine. So let's take a look at this mesh screen. This is a damaged screen, so he wants to clean it with the machine. So let's test and take a look. We put the ink on side of the screen to make the cleaning test. Okay, now we are going to clean it with the machine. We have put the ink on side of the screen mesh, so now we are going to put in to the machine. Okay, now it's finished washing, so let's take up and see the result. So this is the clean stencil. It's very clean, we can see. Contact us for more information.